Dear students, I Neetu Srivastav appear before you in online class where I am going to discuss with you copy work of English 2 chapter number 1 the alphabet. Before starting the copy work children, I am going to show you a few instructions. This instruction you have to follow during writing time. So let's see the instruction first. Instruction number 1. Copy should be covered properly. Number 2. Paging should be completed. Number 3. Use pointed pencil. And number 4. Use good quality of pencil, eraser and sharpener. And this way children, if you follow this instruction, your writing will become neat and clean and teacher will give you good remarks. So let's start copy work. Before starting copy work, I am showing you which type of copy you will select and how you will cover. So let's see. Children, here you see the copy, both side 4 lines are seeing. This type of copy you have to select for English 2 and you should cover like this. Labeled also and write your name. Standard means class, division means section, roll number as you will get, and subject English 2 and school name Divine Public School. After completing this thing, you will start the copy work. I am showing you how to do the copy work. Children, you have seen that I have covered the copy. Then I have done already paging also. Page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, page number 4, page number 5. This way children, you will complete till last page. After completing the paging, in the first page number I have written the name of the subject English 2. See carefully. Then go to the next page. Here you see children, then I have left this page number 2 blank. Then I have started the work from page number 3. Here you see I have already made the headline and I have used 2 rows, first row and second row. Then I have drawn one horizontal line, then again second horizontal line. Then left side of the copy I have used 2 rows and draw one standing line. In the corner I have written the spelling of date, D-A-T-E, date. Then date when you will complete the verb. Then right side in the corner again I have drawn one standing line using double row and written C.W. C.W means class work. Then in mid of the first row line I have written lesson number 1. LESSON lesson dash 01. Then again cursive writing spelling. CURSIVE cursive, WRITING writing. Then children, in the next row you will write A to Z in capital. Children, this formation of A to Z I have already shown you in the last video. And now you will start the work from third line and see here I have drawn 2 standing line with the proper gap. And A to Z letter you have to write in capital. See children, I have written A, see properly, then B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. See carefully children. This way children, you will complete this A to Z in capital. Go to the page number 4. 3 is here. Then go to the page number 4. Here you see children, on page number 4, same way I have drawn the headline with same pattern which I have taught you on page number 3. Center heading you will write cursive writing, then A to Z in small. Classwork, then date. Then again you will draw two standing line like this. The major difference between both the work, here you have to write A to Z in small. See here, again I have drawn two standing line like this. Then I have started A to Z. See carefully. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. See carefully. This way children you will complete this A to Z in small. So these are the classwork. Except the classwork children, I have given you few homework. Homework related to classwork also. You will again draw the same pattern headline and draw the standing line like this. And A to Z you have to write in capital. And here you will write HW. H dot W means homework. This way you will write cursive writing heading, then A to Z, then date in the left corner and the date when you will do the work. Same way children you will write in both the part. So these are your A to Z capital, and this part again I am showing you. Same way you have to draw this way headline, then write this and this, then homework, then left side date you will write A to Z and you will draw two standing line, then write A to Z in small. Children, after seeing the copy work, you will complete your copy work and submit this work on student link as soon as possible. Till then children, bye bye, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe.